guys, welcome Andrew, welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig. This is a closure wig on top of my braids, so it's definitely big head friendly. So if you guys are interested in seeing me slay this little 70s mom, Stacy's mom, just super cute little do, then keep watching.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
I'm back with another wig install, and today we're gonna put this wig on top of these braids. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I think it's gonna work. As always, we're gonna start by putting on a wig cap. Just for reference, this is the length of the hair. Okay, before we start, I just wanna show you guys what comes inside of the package because it's a really good deal going on right now. Oh, it's a blondie moment. So they gave me some hair rollers, beauty blender, the wig, melts belt, wig cap, and a pretty box. We're gonna start off by putting this on. Ouch, let me be careful. And I really just need the top flap because it looks like it's got a little curl to it, so the back of it is. We're gonna see if this is big head friendly or not. Okay, not for real. So now that it's on, I'm gonna just start findangling it around just so it can get like even and flat off. This is what the wig looks like in the package, so we're gonna just take it out. So this is what the wig comes looking like. Let's just, oh, it's already ready to go. So this is what the hairline looks like when you first get it. It's a 5x5 closure wig, which is nice. So we're gonna just cut it off real quick. Okay, we cut it all off. Now let's put it on. Ooh, okay, it's actually super big. Definitely big head friendly. I couldn't find my handy dandy powder, so hopefully this powder doesn't make it look too bad. But I do want to like camouflage. Okay, so let's try to finger curl. Cute little throw on and go when I don't want my braids no more. Okay, I want this a little more. I think we're coming along. Now it's kind of giving 70s mom. Smoking hot. I think the end result is giving like that 70s show, and I'm kind of here for it. I think that this wig is super cute. It's very comfortable, big head friendly, because you saw that I put it on top of my braids and I wasn't expecting that. Luvmehair has some phenomenal hair, and I love that whatever you order is gonna look just like the picture. So if you guys want this wig, I'm gonna link it below, but I think it's super cute. Let me just give you guys a 360. I think that this wig is going to last. The hair texture is just so soft, so cute. I really like this. I was not expecting to love this as much as I do, but. And then lastly, I did add some parts so I can vibrance the part so the people in the back could see it, but I love it. I think it's super cute, and you guys would absolutely love this throw on and go wig. It's a closure wig, and it's super comfy.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.